Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Fatty acid elongation. So this includes the cytosol. The elongation step, it includes the de novo and the lipogenesis, and it forms a palmitate, the myristate as well as a stearate. Then we move on to the mitochondria. Mitochondria, the fatty acid elongation is seen. It occurs by a reversal of the beta oxidation. The elongation attacks primarily on the fatty acyl CoA substrates. The elongation acts primarily on the fatty acid CoA substrates, and it is shorter than the 16 carbon. Then we move on to the endoplasmic reticulum. So here the elongation fatty acids are 12 carbon or longer. It utilizes the fatty acid derivatives from the de novo lipogenesis as well as the fatty acids, and they are derived from the diet. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.